Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Hannah if you're new here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to style wide leg jeans for fall. I'm going to show you a couple different pieces and outfits, and I'm super excited because I think that wide leg jeans have just been really trendy this year, and I think it's a great fall staple. So if you are not already, be sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My username is @HannahWarling, and let's get started. So I just wanted to start today by showing you the jeans that I am going to be styling. These ones are from Zara. They are a size 2. I am about 5'4". So if that helps you with sizing at all. They're the 90s full length, slim fit, wide leg jeans, and I just really like them. They are a little bit tighter at the hips, so if you have a little bit wider hips, I already have kind of slim hips and they're still tight, so if you have wider hips, I would suggest maybe sizing up for these, but other than that, they are super comfortable. They are long, so if you don't want to be stepping on the bottom of your jeans, I would suggest maybe trying to get them hemmed, but they also have these cute little frills on the bottom, so it's just kind of up to you. They were, I think, almost exactly $50, so if you guys are looking for something that's reasonably affordable, really cute and trendy, I would definitely recommend these. For the first look, sweatshirts and polos are always really cute options. I think that they look really nice layered. It's been really trendy this year to do that, or you can even tie it across your chest and that would look really cute as well. The polo that I have here is from Brandy Melville, and then the sweatshirt is from Tilly's. It has a little bit of a drawstring at the bottom, so you can tighten it or cinch it at the bottom, but I also think you could wear something really cute like a Nike sweatshirt or something like that. And then the sneakers I'm wearing with this look are from Nothing New. They are really cute for fall. I love Nothing New's high tops and low tops. They're super durable and made from recycled water bottles, which I love. So for the next look, I did a denim on denim look, and I think that denim on denim is really cute and trendy. This one in particular is from Fashion Nova. It's a little bit of an oversized look, but I think it looks really cute. The top that I have here is from Brandy Melville. I love these tops. I believe it's the Zelly ruffle tops, and honestly, if I could get one in like literally every color, I probably would. So next I have this top. It's actually a one shoulder top, and it's from American Eagle, and I'm pairing it with this really pretty trench coat. The trench coat is from Calvin Klein, and I just love the way that the colors look here. Having a bunch of neutrals I think is perfect for the fall season, and especially if you live in a colder place, having a trench coat or something to cover up with is really cute. Similar to a trench coat, I think that a camel coat is really awesome for fall. Definitely something you should get. This one is from Tommy Hilfiger. I really like wearing longer coats in the winter because I think that it just elevates the look a little bit, and I love this one in particular. I think the color is really pretty, especially pairing it with something like a turtleneck I think is perfect. This turtleneck is also from Zara, so I have two Zara pieces going right here. The boots are another one from Thursday. You've probably seen these in my videos before. They're really super pretty. I love the white leather color, and I love that it has this pointed toe with the square, or it's like a triangular square block, whatever you call that, heel, and it's super pretty. For their boots I wear a size 7.5, and for their regular shoes I wear a size 7. So if you guys are looking for your sizes, again, I'm about 5'4", if that helps anybody. So next, I think a plaid or button down look can be really pretty with a pair of wide leg jeans. I love the way that these two work together and the way that they look. I just think that it's a really nice set for fall, and then just wearing something like a crop tank or something else like that underneath can really fill out the look for something that just looks really cute and comfy and casual. So the sweater in this look is from Brandy Melville. I think it's really cute. It's actually thrifted, but I believe that you can still find things that are super similar to it because I don't think it's that old, even though I found it thrifted. Pairing it with a pair of wide leg jeans I think is just really trendy. I feel like cardigans and button downs have been really in this season, so if you can find a way to pair those together, I think that's perfect. I also love wearing these with a pair of Air Forces. I think that they're so so cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful in finding what you would wear with wide leg jeans for fall. I absolutely love these looks, and I think that wide leg jeans are so perfect for a fall closet staple. If you guys have not checked out my other videos yet, be sure to go and do that. I have more fashion and fall styling videos that you should definitely check out. I have hair care, I have skincare, and general lifestyle as well. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!